Hey everyone, welcome back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can give access to Google Forms. And here I've already opened the Google Form that I created, and I want to add, for example, my friends as the editor or collaborators into this form. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon on the Google Form. This is the more menu. Okay, so in here, click on this add collaborators option. After that, this manage access will pop up. Just wait. Okay, so this you can just add editors into this form. So you can just type in their email's name, or you can just select from here. For example, I want to invite this person as the editor. You can choose to notify them or not, and here you can also type in the message for them. Don't forget to choose their role as editor, and after that just click on send. Now you've already give access into the person. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.